Which you give us? This is 12. Oh yeah, I'm going to try and wrap it there.
I'm not sure I want to die at my desk, so we've got to be sane about this.
Right, let's take a look at the weather. Stand down. Hi, Stan.
Hi there, Glenn. Thank you very much. Good evening to you. It's the first week of meteorological spring, and there is a feeling of spring in the air. Quite a bit of sunshine around. Glorious evening picture here.
To over-catastrophise things or to over-alarm people about things, and then of course a natural response to that would be anxiety, stress and anxiety.
And how much is that down to the uncertainty? Because no one, even the experts, really know how this is going to play out.
Absolutely. I mean, with normal flu, we've got some sort of idea how that pans out. We can get flu jabs and things like that. But this is totally new, isn't it? And I think it's the fear of the unknown that creates a real sort of helplessness and panic.
But there are quite good pieces of information out there telling us what we should do and what we shouldn't do, what to avoid, where we're safe. Does that not help?
Well, I think it should help, and I think certainly being informed.
Thompson.
And this is Pamela here. Who's she with then?
Anthony
Laura Thompson, yeah.
That is your lot for tonight. A big thanks to Riley, to Romy and to Anna. This week at 4:30 on BBC One.
Tomorrow we'll be back tackling obesity with Miriam and Mark.
My Instagram has gone mad.
This doctor's surgery in Cambridgeshire fears a sudden and rapid escalation in cases.
The NHS is an incredibly effective and efficient service. We don't have much in the way of spare capacity, particularly this time of year.
And although cases remain very low, airlines, including EasyJet and Ryanair, have been cancelling flights to and from Europe because of coronavirus concerns.
Oh, let's play it. I don't need dust mask. No, I can't sort that in a minute, mate. Alright. Sorry about that, mate.
Meanwhile, they're out of builders' dust masks here in Norwich after a woman bought their last 50 to send to China.
Currently out of stock at the moment. We normally have a few hundred packs in at a time, but this Chinese woman came in a few weeks back. She bought everything we had in stock at the time, which she said she was sending back to her family in China. At the moment, we just got respirator masks in stock, which we are limited to one at a time per person, and we kept a few back for staff as well, just in case, because you never know what's around the corner.
And shops are running out of hand sanitizer as people panic buy. Although all the experts say it's far better to use soap and water. Matthew Gray, ITV News.
Well, let's head to Westminster. Good evening, Emma. The government unveiled their